How to use Signal application. This is a type of chatting platform or a text messaging software that you can use to chat with your friends, with your family, or with your clients. How you can simply set up your account on the Signal application or platform here. So first we're gonna download the app here if you already have it. So simply open it just like I'm gonna open it right now. Click on the Signal application here and then let it be open on your device. Here you simply have to continue with the terms and condition, allow all the notification it's asking for. You have to allow all that. Now here you have to enter your number to create your account. Suppose this is my number, I have clicked in, and then I will wait for a confirmation code to come on my device. Then I will verify the Signal application from that OTP. Wait for a second to OTP to be loaded here. After verifying your number, you will be able to chat with your friends, with your family, and any person you want on Signal. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.